Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What we have here is a 16-inch mocha coffee tin advertising plate that you would have seen. Beautiful lady with a cool looking horse. It's really a nice shape. Let me flip it around. See the back. And there you can see the mocha coffee. So if you're into coffee advertising or just some beautiful vintage tin art, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.